And hi, I'm Sarah. I'm kind of the person who's always there for everyone else, you know? But lately I've been wondering, who's there for me? Every day it's the same routine. Help mum with breakfast, tutor my little brother, volunteer at the animal shelter, and then stay up all night helping my friends with their problems. Don't get me wrong, I love helping others. It's just, I'm so tired. My room's a mess. I can't remember the last time I ate a vegetable. And my hobbies? What hobbies? But I can't slow down. Everyone needs me. If I don't help, who will? Oh, one day, it all became too much. I was at the animal shelter trying to feed the dogs, walk the cats, and clean the cages all at once. The room went dark, and I collapsed right there on the floor. And when I opened my eyes, I wasn't in the shelter anymore. I was in a strange, colorful world I'd never seen before. Hello, Sarah. I'm Self-Care, and I think it's time we had a chat. Self-care? But isn't that selfish? Oh, Sarah, taking care of yourself isn't selfish. It's necessary. Let me show you. And Self-Care took me on an amazing journey. Our first stop was the land of proper sleep. I saw people waking up refreshed and energized. I couldn't remember the last time I felt like that. And next, we visited the kingdom of healthy eating. The fruits and vegetables danced, showing off their superpowers. I learned that food isn't just fuel, it's medicine for our bodies and minds. And we explored the forest of physical activity, where exercise wasn't a chore, but a joyful celebration of what our bodies can do. In the ocean of emotional well-being, I learned to surf the waves of my feelings instead of drowning in them. But the most challenging part was our visit to the mystical realm of saying no. I saw people setting boundaries, and instead of the world falling apart, everything seemed more balanced. Self-care showed me that by taking care of myself, I was actually becoming stronger and more capable of helping others. Back in the real world, I tried to implement what I'd learned. I started small, eating breakfast, going for walks, setting a bedtime. It wasn't easy. Old habits die hard, and I still felt guilty every time I said no to someone. The real test came when I had to choose between helping my friend move and going to my long-planned spa day. I was torn. My friend needed me, but I also knew I needed this time for myself. That's when I realized, by taking care of myself, I could be there for others in a much better way. I explained to my friend that I needed this day, but offered to help her unpack the next day instead. To my surprise, she understood. She even said she was glad I was finally taking time for myself. I've learned that self-care isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's not selfish, it's self-preservation. So remember, it's not selfish to take care of yourself. In fact, it's the most selfless thing you can do. Because when you're at your best, you can give your best to the world. So go ahead, take that nap, eat that vegetable, say no to that extra commitment. Your future self will thank you. And who knows? You might just inspire others to take better care of themselves too. After all, self-care isn't just about you. It's about creating a world where everyone has the energy and capacity to be their best selves. So what will your self-care journey look like? Remember, it's not selfish. It's necessary. This is Sarah signing off. Take care of yourself, everyone. Take